Hello, welcome to a little series of videos that I've decided to do on just how to use the Chinafake Wiki and how to perform common tasks on the wiki so that you may want things that you may want to do, and hopefully this will get more people that maybe want to contribute but don't know how or don't know exactly how to do things to to get the knowledge to be able to do those things. So what you're looking at right now is the home page of the wiki. We got some featured pages, we got some partnered things, featured articles. So right now, I'm not logged in, as you can see. I am editing as an IP address, which means anyone can see any changes that you make, that your IP makes. You can still edit pages. If I go into the editor here, we get our source source code editor here. We can also, I believe, some way to do visual editor. I know you can do code markup, but you can't create new pages, and you can't vote on this poll, for instance. You can't leave any comments on pages, nothing like that. So you've only got basically a couple of things that you can do. Limited sort of, like if you want to post on the forum or do a blog post, you have to make an account. If you want to edit ratings on pages so that you can, you know, maybe say they need to be improved, you need to create an account. So the way you create an account, it's pretty simple. And talk about how to do it on both mobile and desktop. Really all you need to do is just click this create account button up in the corner here. And then you fill in your username, password again, email address, your real name. You don't need to put in your email address, you don't need to put in your real name. Those are both optional. And then you just check a little box to prove that you're not a robot. And then you've got an account and you should be able to log in. The process is very similar on mobile. If we sort of emulate, it's a bit wider than what it would be on mobile, but it's very similar. You click this little button here, I believe, and then you just click on create account. It'll take you to the page. Just gonna again go back to emulating the mobile interface here, but looks basically identical. No, forgot to put the and there. Come on, it's not always this slow. I don't know what's going on. Server problems. So there you go. Count page. We can just go back to the home page here. Now, if you have an account, any wiki that is a subdomain of this, any wiki that has this in its name, so this account, you can sign into this wiki with that account. So you don't need to make a new account. You've got an account with that, with our wiki hoster already. And that is how you create an account on the Chinafake Wiki. Once you create an account, you can go to your user page. So I'll go to my user page, for instance. Here I am. Here's me, or here's about to be me. That's not supposed to happen. Oh, no, wait, here we go. Yeah, servers are just not doing too hot today. I don't know why, but here I am. It's a me, Mario. You can, you've then got your own unique user account. You can have your contributions indexed on a page. You can edit. You can switch between. You can choose sort of a more. You can see, recent things people have done. So these are, recent things that I've done. You can see social profiles. And you can switch between having a sort of a wiki style user page where you write in text, or a social sort of user profile where you just fill in various fields, information, sort of like a like a social media thing. Obviously you can switch to your preferred language. It should do this automatically based on whatever your browser language is, but if it does not, you are free to just go in there. Note that this won't switch the language of the pages, but it will switch the language that most of the wiki's interface is in, so all the buttons and whatnot. Once you are, so you can vote on things, comment on things, create pages, make forum posts, or make new forum threads, forum topics, if you will. Right, like if we head on over to the forum here, this is right. We'll go to. Right, so this news here is a forum topic or a forum thread, if you will. Come on. And then, these are all actual, like, replies to the things. So you are free to add new sections or edit the post or reply to them, but you cannot create new posts in topics or threads or whatever. You can edit the thread, you can, edit existing posts. You cannot make new ones. You cannot really do any new content unless you've got an account set up. You can't set up you can't set up any sort of comments or votes. You can't rate pages. But you can do just about everything else. However, it is highly, highly encouraged that when you are editing and just using the wiki in general, that you use a user account instead of an IP. It's easier for us to keep track of you. IPs change. IPs can reveal personal information. It's just an overall better choice to use an account. But if you absolutely must use an IP, you are fully able to do so, and there is no problem with that. You're just going to have limited access to things. And to just finish it off, here's my very, very long, very, very, very long contributions page. Because I have done many things. 18,064. Sorry, 1,864. Good lord. Edits. Yeah, I've done a lot of stuff. I have. So yeah, there you go. That is your little video on accounts on the Chinafake Wiki.